UK seas have had their warmest start to the year since records began, and these higher temperatures in our oceans are leading to major changes in the marine ecosystem, and it's being felt all along our shores. These rising temperatures are meaning that some species are now struggling to cope, whereas other species are now arriving. For example, bluefin tuna was a species that had almost completely disappeared in the 1990s and is now a much more regular sight. Iberian orca were spotted off the Cornish coast for the first time. There are huge blooms in octopus numbers in the southwest, as well as large aggregations of spider crab and even sightings of species such as the leatherback turtle. Whereas other species such as the basking shark are having to move northwards to try and find cooler water, as well as commercially fished species such as the common whelk are now having to move. This story shows the impact that climate change is having on our wildlife and ecosystems here in the UK, and highlights the need for us all to act more sustainably, reduce our emissions, and keep putting pressure on those in power to do more to combat climate change and protect our oceans. And there are simple things that you can do. For example, Cornwall Wildlife Trust have a simple email template that you can fill out that's calling for the government to put a ban on bottom trawling in our marine protected areas. And it only takes a couple of minutes to fill out. Thanks so much for watching, and follow me for more nature and wildlife stuff.